Here I will show you how to regain access to your Samsung A14 by doing a hard reset for those who forgot the pattern lock or any other lock on the home screen. So we are going to show in this video how you can recover your device again, and I will also give you a tip on how you can, in case you have also forgotten your Google email and password, unlock it if you have forgotten, okay? But first, let's remove this pattern screen lock here quickly in a very simple way so that anyone can do it by following this step by step. First, remove your SIM card, remove your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything that's in its memory. I want to give you a tip here as well, in case you're doing this procedure that you're following in the video and you see that it returned to this screen again. Try doing it this time using the USB cable on your computer, okay? Our first attempt is without the cable, but if it doesn't work, we repeat using the cable and doing the same procedures. Leave the device on the emergency screen that says let's suppose you have already removed your chip and your card. As we mentioned, it's good to remove them. Now you will press the minus button and the power button at the same time. You will hold them. When the device restarts, you release only the minus button and press the volume up button. When the name Samsung appears on the screen and the name stays on the screen, you release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. We will show you the option to unlock your device, okay? I'll show it here to make it easier. Let's go. Minus and power. It's very important for you to keep track of the time the device is restarting, as we're going to do here.
Release the minus and press the plus as it has already restarted. When it goes off like this, it means it has already restarted.
Now release the power and keep holding up there, and let's wait for it to enter recovery mode. Here it should already enter recovery mode. As you can see, it entered recovery mode. You don't need it, the cable wasn't needed. Remember that this procedure we're teaching you will also work for some other Samsung models. If you have any questions about a model that works, you can put it in the comments and we will respond to you whether the model you mentioned works or not. Now on this screen, we will go down by pressing the minus button until this option here, wipe data factory reset, and confirm with the power button. Just one click on it, go down again, and we'll go to this option right here, the second option. Another click on the power button, which is the on and off button. It's the same thing. Here we will wait for this information to complete. Reaching this last screen, we just confirm. And here you just wait and you'll see that your device will be unlocked. As we were talking about unlocking the Google account in case you need it, because this removes the screen password. Any password you set on your device on the home screen, this procedure will solve it for you. But for you who forgot your email and your Google account, your email and your Google password, we can also do this unlocking from anywhere you are, even remotely. You can contact an agent through the number in the description to ask your question, clear your doubts if you have any, and also check the cost of your unlocking, because it varies from model to model, depending also on the Android version, okay? But if your problem was just that you forgot the screen password, I am sure this video helped you. And if you can, within your means, you can make a contribution to our channel through Pix, which will be in the video description, and it doesn't matter what the amount is, okay? A hug